Communication gap is the main issue which I have chosen in Assessment 2 journal. Talking about the communication gap, it is the misinterpretation of the information or complete lack of communication within the organization. According to the Borgman, communication is the process that develops the trust, the safety of the clients and improves the health of the clients. The evidence of Borgman again suggested that a healthy workplace not only make a flexible environment, it also ensures the patient's safety. Talking about my experience of communication gap in my workplace, I found the communication between me and my colleague in my workplace which arises the conflict between us, and it created the negative outcome of the clients. Therefore, proper communication between employees always supports to provide the positive outcome of the clients. The evidence of Martin suggested that the face-to-face clear communication ensures the effective teamwork and helps to provide the quality care. The another evidence of Martin suggested that the 18 million people are dying in United States yearly due to the lack of sharing the information between the healthcare teams. The another evidence of Martin again suggested that collaboration between the team members plays a pivotal role in the healthcare settings. Therefore, teamwork with effective communication is needed to provide the standard care to the patient. Failure in communication creates the conflict between the team members in the organization. The evidence of Martin again suggested that conflict decreases the self-respect and the dignity to the colleagues. According to the Clean Harmer, 40 to 50% nursing staff reported that conflict among the team members, which is higher than the normal people in the Canada. It also arises the emotional stress. For example, if the coworker doesn't provide the effective handover of the client's condition, it would reduces the enough knowledge about the patient and decrease the patient outcome. Therefore, the application of conflict management theory is crucial factors. There are 5 strategies of the conflict management theory which are given by Thompson's Kilman conflict instrument Morse. First one is competing, second one is accommodating, third one is compromising, and fourth one is avoiding, and the fifth one is collaborating, which is used based on the personality and the situation. Competing for style is the power can be used by the manager to reach into the conclusion which helps to avoid the conflict among the co-worker. Accommodating is the ideal in some situation when manager listen to the feedback of the co-workers and convinced with them, then the co-workers may be satisfied in their workplace. Avoiding is the next way to manage the conflict when the manager does not want to argue with the employee. Then avoidance is a good way to escape from the role. Similarly, compromising is the major way to reduce the conflict. Compromising also fosters to minimize the conflict and the move forward. Collaboration is the final management theory to avoid the conflict. There are the 5 processes to manage the conflict by the collaborative way. First of all, identify the problems. Secondly, brainstorm all the solutions. And thirdly, choose the best solution. Fourthly, determine how to apply the solutions and eventually evaluate the outcome. In this way, we can manage the conflict by using the management theory. The minor problem which is arised by the communication gap in my workplace is stress and anxiety. According to the Spears, stress is the psychological matter of the individual that can be defined at the different level and affect the performance of an individual in an organization. The evidence of Shalon showed that the most of the hospitals are suffering from stress and anxiety. Therefore, stress management theory is essential for the hospitals and organizations. The survey of Hassan suggested that the positive thinking, self-motivating and the compromises are the key factors to minimize the stress.